Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a quick review on Consensus AI. You see, Consensus AI is an AI powered academic search engine that is designed to help users quickly find and understand scientific research. The important details are it focuses on research. It studies over 200 plus million research papers from thematic scholar database across all domains of science. AI-powered insights, including language models like GPT-4 and custom-built models to summarize findings, identify consensus, and extract key insights from research papers. All you have to do is type in and ask the research. So once you put in the what you want to find, the research you want to find, you click on. So like for example this one, we'll give it that. So next, it has the consensus meter. This consensus meter represents the level of scientific agreement on a topic based on the analyzed paper. You can see the consensus meter here. This is it. So this is the 64 years, 18 possible, 9 mixed, and 9% no. So we also have the pro analysis that allows users to customize searches for tasks. It also has paper level insights, that is, it extracts key information, making it easier to digest the content from individual papers. It also has search filters like advanced search filter based on study design, sample size, methodology, and more to refine your search results. Also, it has auto citation, it can automatically generate citation. It has a target audience. It's primarily aimed at students, researchers, clinicals, and other professionals who need efficiently find and understand scientific lecture. Finally, it is free. It has a free and a paid option. In essence, it is an AI that helps to streamline the research process by leveraging AI to quickly surface relevant information and provide easy to understand summaries of complex scientific topics. What are you waiting for? Sign up now and get started.